chill in the air here in central Indiana. It's kind of a frigid Friday outside. I mean, we're obviously thrilled to see the sun out and the blue sky, but Nicole, it's still bitterly cold, and now we've got some snow that is going to impact the weekend, don't we?
Bitterly cold, especially as we start to go into the weekend, Scott. And yes, that snow moving in that will impact travel across portions of central Indiana, especially early Sunday.
Okay.
So we really have a lot to watch for as we go through the next couple of days. Starting with that cold start this morning, we were down to 2 degrees in Indianapolis, 0 in Kokomo, 2 degrees below 0 in Peru, 3 degrees below 0 in Shelbyville. And look at Bloomington, that sub-zero low of 7 degrees below 0. We've since rebounded, so that's going to be the good news. And we do have a little bit of wind out there. That's the bad news because it's going to give us a wind chill. 15 degrees is where we're at. Winds out of the west-northwest at about 8 miles per hour, giving us that wind chill of 4 degrees. It's going to feel like the single digits in many locations north of I-70. 13 right now in Muncie and Marion, 16 in Anderson, 14 in Greencastle, and 17 degrees in Bloomington. Once you factor in that wind chill, it feels like 2 degrees in Lafayette, 4 in Indianapolis, 2 degrees in Muncie, 13 in Greensburg, and 17 degrees in Bloomington. Still a lot of sunshine, though, and I think the sun makes you feel a little bit better. Temperatures yesterday were rather cool, but it was cloudy. Outside today, it does feel a little bit better thanks to the sun. Outside right now, we will see some clouds increase as we go later into today, but what we will be watching as we go Saturday night into Sunday is this developing system right now back to the southwest. This is going to bring us a chance of accumulating snow and a chance of rain, so that's going to make snowfall totals a little bit tricky. Let's take you through this afternoon. Average high is about 45 degrees, so yes, we are well below that. We've been used to that so far this month. Looking to top out right around 17. If we only hit that 17-degree mark, that would tie the cold record high for this date set back in the 1930s. Now, Future Track 13 doesn't show much happening as we go into this afternoon, but we will see clouds start to increase. Clouds are going to help us out a little bit as we go into tonight with partly cloudy skies, so we shouldn't be as cold in some locations tomorrow morning, especially south of I-70, but we could come close to hitting that record low. 0 degrees is what I'm forecasting. That record low is 2, set back in 1993, and those clouds will start to increase. For your Saturday forecast, we start at 0 degrees. Some spots will be sub-zero. By 10 o'clock, 7 degrees. By noon, 16. By 2 o'clock, 20. And by 4 o'clock, we'll be at 23 degrees with a mix of sun and clouds. By Saturday evening, we're going to start to watch the radar very closely because as soon as we cross midnight into Sunday morning, here's some of those snow showers. Now, this is 6 o'clock on your Sunday morning, and now look what happens as we go to 10 o'clock. This is kind of the same scenario we had last time we had a weekend event. Remember, we're really looking to see where we were going to see that rain snow line set up. So areas that are in all snow are going to see higher amounts of snowfall. Areas that start to get that rain will start to see those break down. So the big question is, how far north is this going to go? Do have a snowfall map for you. However, check back with Angela tonight, Kelly Green throughout the weekend, because this is definitely going to be changing as we get new information. As of right now, lowest snow totals are going to be to the south. Reason for that, you're going to be transitioning into that rain earlier. I think Indianapolis right along I-70 could be about 2 to 4 inches of snow. And then spots that you see like Lafayette, Kokomo, Marion, Muncie, this could actually be about 4, maybe even more inches of snow. Again, it's all going to depend how quickly that rain can start to move in. So we will keep you posted on that. In the 7-day forecast, we have a lot to talk about. First, we have that snow to wintry mix on Sunday. Then Monday appears dry, but late Monday night into Tuesday, we'll be looking at a chance for some freezing rain before temperatures warm up enough on Tuesday for heavy rain. My big concern on Tuesday as we hit 44 degrees is going to be heavy rain that could lead to flooding, and we could also see a few thunderstorms. Wednesday, 40 degrees, and then by Thursday we're right back to 26. So we wanted warmer temperatures. We just didn't want the heavy rain that's going to come with it on Tuesday. We're going to have to really watch the forecast day by day and make sure to check in with us because it could be a situation where we're talking flooding.